Welcome to Auto Mania, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels powered by CarCrest. Today we are taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw, a revolutionary blend of reliability, efficiency and smart urban mobility. This vehicle marks a significant collaboration between Toyota and Bajaj, aiming to redefine the experience of city commuting for both drivers and passengers. The design of the 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw balances practicality and modernity. It carries a fresh, compact look that fits well in congested city streets while offering improved aerodynamics and sturdiness. The rickshaw's build quality has seen noticeable improvements compared to previous models, featuring a strong yet lightweight chassis designed to maximize fuel efficiency and safety. Under the hood, the rickshaw is powered by a refined CNG engine that delivers impressive mileage with reduced emissions, making it a more sustainable alternative to conventional fuel models. The engine provides smooth acceleration and consistent performance, especially ideal for stop-and-go traffic in urban environments. It maintains an excellent balance between power and economy, a crucial factor for daily commercial use. Inside, the cabin offers enhanced comfort and functionality. The driver's area is ergonomically designed with easy-to-reach controls, clear instrumentation and a more refined steering grip. There is ample headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers, along with better seat cushioning for longer rides. Safety features have been upgraded with stronger frame integrity and better visibility for the driver. Some variants may also include basic infotainment options, LED lighting and mobile charging ports to add a touch of convenience. Handling and ride quality have also seen improvements thanks to updated suspension tuning. The vehicle absorbs bumps better, making the ride smoother on uneven city roads. Maneuverability remains a strong point with a tight turning radius and responsive steering, essential for navigating narrow lanes in crowded market areas. One of the key selling points of this model is its low running cost. With CNG being more affordable than petrol or diesel, operators can expect significant savings over time. Maintenance is also relatively simple and cost-effective due to Toyota and Bajaj's well-established service networks and durable component design. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw is a smart investment for transport operators, fleet owners and anyone seeking a reliable and cost-effective city mobility solution. It brings together brand reliability, fuel efficiency and practical features that truly matter in the real world. If you found this review helpful and want more updates on the latest auto launches, detailed reviews and honest insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is Auto Mania powered by CarCrest and we'll see you in the next ride.